Just decided to do a quick morning update on the two cars in the big garage here. The 67, this is the dusk rose pink one that I have. I was just finishing up a couple things on it. I was fitting anything that's going to be painted body color, the side vent scoops, the quarter ornaments there that go on the sail panels. And then I drilled all the holes to fit the fin taillight panel, because this car had it from the factory, and those are originals, which there is some broken tabs on the one side. That's something I got to fix, but at least I drilled the holes into the taillight panel so it can be fixed. Yeah, just fitting up a couple things that you don't think about that you don't want to really do after paint. Like drill the holes for the window molding clips, because the new quarter panels don't come with the original tabs. So I'm going to drill out those holes before it gets painted. The least amount of drilling that you have to do on a freshly painted car is better. And that's where that one's at. That one's going to go to paint here soon. And then the 17 is all tore apart. And just need to start ordering parts. I need to get a new front bumper, a crash bar that goes across. And then I'm going to get the frame rails pulled to try and get everything as close back to where it should be. So then I know where to start cutting. You can see this is the side that took the hit. And it wrinkled it the whole way back there to the tower. And the tower, I'm sure, has moved a little bit. So it should be pulled to try and get that back into the right place, or at least in the right area, so then I can replace what I need to get it back straightened out. This tower, everything looks more fine on this side. You can see where it buckled straight up from there. You don't see any real damage in the top rail, but I'm sure it's moved the slightest bit. I want everything to line up in the end, so that's where this is at. Just need parts and need to find the frame shop that I'd like to take it to. And then I'm going to start tearing apart some stuff. I need a new K-member for that, and just parts. Lots of parts needed. But it'll be like new again in the end. And that's just a quick update of what everything is in this shop. And I'm going to be doing some sheet metal work today on a different 67. So thanks for checking in, and we'll see what we get into next time.